Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at Algorand or Algo, currently ranked at 45 with a market cap of about $782 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $18 million, and today we are going to be giving you an update on the September trap as regards Algorand. And without further ado, let us move right here to this. So we started the month, I told you right that we usually see every September, right down from 2013. September is usually one of the worst months right there for the crypto market, right? And we usually see a very, very huge fake out. It is just 2 years which we haven't seen a very, very huge fake out in September, right? And we said September is generally usually a bad month for right there in the crypto market, but we usually always recover in October, right? So we usually have a huge fake out to the downside or a boring market in September, and we usually see a huge push to the upside in October, right? So October is generally a very very good month for the markets right there in October, right? And the same thing we are seeing with Algorand. If we just look at the chart, Algorand versus the USD dollars, we're on the 4 hourly time frame. You could see that we are getting rejection right here at this support level of the 0.1034 level. As you can see, three rejections right here, pushing right back down to retest the 200 EMA, which is right down there at the 0.097 level. So we are expecting to see a minimum, we could see another 2%, and at worst we could see another let's say 7% to the downside right there for Algorand. As if we look at the daily time frame right here for Algorand, as you can see, flipping over to the daily time frame, we are seeing this sort of rejection happening here uh, on our dossier channel, which means we probably could come right here first to this level, and if we break that level we could see another push to the downside. But our indicators are showing us that we could see that push to the downside as on the MACD. As you can see, we are having huge push to the downside right here. As you can see, the volume is reducing, which means we are about to see some very huge push to the downside. So remember, that is the fake out. We are also forming bearish divergence. As you can see, the RSI already pushing to the downside, forming some sort of a bearish divergence, which means over the next week we could see that push to the downside. Same thing with the stochastic. Our stochastic is still pushing to the downside, so we could still see one more push to the downside right there for Algorand. But remember, that is just a huge fake out, as we have always said, right? We are usually see that huge fake out to the downside before we see one of the largest returns, which is usually in October, right? So do not be faked out, right? That's the analysis for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.